Yo, what is going on, everybody? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. In this one, we're going to be talking all about Crypto.com coin CRO. We had an emergency update this morning at 2 a.m. I hope some of you were able to catch that video. Called CRO at about 42, 43 cents. Gave you a couple reasons why I thought it was going to do well, and sure enough, boom, it was up like 30, 40% at one point today. So right now, if we want to check over on TradingView, we're looking at around 52.4 cents. Which if we look back, even so that we're on the hourly chart right now, by the way, if we look back to a couple days ago, so this is going to be what? This is the 15th, I believe, of November. We were at around 54 cents at this wick right here. So, I mean, just based off that, based off all the news that we've gotten, the amount of exposure we've gotten over the past couple of days, to think that we won't at least reclaim 54 cents is preposterous. I think that we're probably going to stabilize somewhere above 60 cents, if I'm being honest, just because of the sheer number of people that are going to come onto the site. And for those of you that missed this morning's video, when you go and you make a Crypto.com account, they're going to tell you about their cards. And obviously, there's so many benefits to these cards. You get 100% cash back on Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb. You get an airport lounge access if you get the best card, everything. Like, just there's so many incentives to holding on to one of these cards. And to do that, you obviously need to put in a ton of money in order to stake your CRO. So as you can see here, $400,000, $40,000, $4,000, $400 of CRO that is going to have to be locked in, aka these people can't sell it as long as they want to hold on to their cards, so, and their benefits. So obviously for price movement, this is just incredible as an investor. Like, this is something that you love to see, and as more people start to get onto Crypto.com in specific, and start to get these cards, price, it's going to do wonders for the price. Just having all this CRO locked up. So obviously great, love to see that. There's going to be a lot less CRO on the market. And then when you take a look at Binance Coin, and you go basically a year back, it was at only $40, guys, and now it's up over 500. It's like 540 right now, 577. So that's over a 10x, and it didn't take very long, guys. I mean, looking at basically February here at around $40, $50. By the time it was like May, it was over 600. So these run-ups can happen just like that in the snap of a finger. You just kind of have to be patient and not sell on these big dips, and just kind of double down when the dips come. So, and hey, we're looking right here, creeping back up over 53 cents as we speak. So that's pretty neat. But already Crypto.com's ranked number 19. I see no reason why this doesn't end up in the top 10. It honestly might have climbed in the time I've been talking. But I mean, just looking at some of the other coins like Avalanche, Terra, Litecoin, Chainlink. I mean, these are not, like, these are solid projects, but I mean, when you take a coin like Crypto.com coin that brings the benefits already to the table, and like, this is a big thing I find in crypto, is that a lot of these coins, people treat them like stocks, where you're kind of getting a part of a company or part of a project, and it doesn't really work like that. You kind of have to find, like, all right, how does this coin fit into the project, and what is going to incentivize people to want to hold on to this coin? And I don't think a lot of people really think about that. I think they're just like, oh, this is a really good project, let me buy the coin. But then maybe the coin has no practical purpose inside the project. Like, basically, I mean, of course it serves some sort of purpose, but like, there's no reason why certain coins might have to climb up super high in value for the project to be successful anyways. So I think that's where people get confused, but that's where something like Crypto.com coin there's clear incentive to wanting to hold on to the coin. So that's kind of what I'm trying to say here. Clear incentive to hold on to the coin. You're going to get benefits from doing so, and you're also going to get those staking rewards. So obviously, when there's a lot of people that want something with a finite supply, it's just going to be good news in terms of positive price movement. So anyways, moving on. Where do I think Crypto.com coin is going to? Well, I mean, right now it's sitting at about $15.7 billion, and I think the best judge of this is just going to be Binance Coin. It's at almost $100 billion. I mean, with all the advertisements that Crypto.com coin is doing, there's absolutely no reason why this one can't be worth at least half of Binance Coin. That's why I'm going to put my projected market cap within the next basically 3 to 4 months, probably less. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm being conservative here because I don't want to look like a fool, but it's very likely that it could be less than 3 to 4 months. We'll probably be looking at like a 45 to 50 billion dollar market cap for Crypto.com coin, and we're talking about, who knows, maybe about, let's say, like $1.50 to $1.60. I think is well within the cards, potentially even higher than that for Crypto.com coin. Now, if you're staking along the way as well, if you're using that card as well, like, who knows? You could definitely do very well by utilizing this coin. So, but with me, I'm trying to just, I want to diversify, so I'm going to put some into Crypto.com coin, obviously have money in other places, and then if I make a healthy bag off of Crypto.com coin, I'm going to sell the good majority of it, and then look for new projects, and of course I'll be sharing those with you guys along the way. So anyways, if you guys learned anything today, or maybe you just want to share some things in the comments, go right ahead. I'd be happy to hear it, happy to start a conversation. And yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see next. More videos to come in the coming days. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.